Welcome to Digital World Tech Academy. I can tell you that you have just made one of the best decisions ever. Now, you see, Digital World Tech Academy is giving you out a free consultation section to you for you to understand the different areas in tech. Now, these are the things you should expect in this consultation section, right? So one of the things you would expect is that number one, you will learn about international certification in different tech areas. Now, you also learn about what suits you best, right? So the consultant would help you know what are the areas that you can dive into and how technical each area is, right? Now, depending on the resources you have on your hands right now, the ones that can really help you achieve your dreams. Now, some of you want to study this course for different reasons. You want to get a job, you want to travel abroad, you want to be able to get a remote job, you want to switch careers, you want to make money online. So everybody has different reasons, and that is why the accountability supervisor would help you and help you navigate your way around all these things. So it's amazing, you're welcome, and I'm so happy that you made this decision to be here. Now, you see, when it comes to learning tech skills, there are three major parts. Number one is learning the skill. Number two is learning how to sell the skill. And number three is learning where to sell the skill. Now, you see, it's not just about learning the skill, becoming an expert. We are also going to help you to package yourself, right? And help you build your portfolio, help you with international certification, help you with your LinkedIn account and every other thing you need to stand out, right? As somebody that has learned a skill as an expert. Now, the third thing, which is learning where to sell the skill. We're going to be showing you, at the end of the program, we're going to be showing you the different platforms that need the services that you have, right? We're going to show you how to get these jobs from different countries all around the world. Now, if this is something amazing and I already know you've just made a good decision, just click on the button you see there and it will take you directly to speak to your course advisor. Have a nice day and enjoy